Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block ads using NordVPN's Threat Protection feature. If you're tired of pop-ups and constant interruptions, this is one of the simplest ways to clean up your browsing experience. First, download and install the NordVPN app. Whether you're on Windows or Mac OS, the installer guides you through the process step by step. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, just create one on the NordVPN website first. After you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and click the shield icon. This is where all the threat protection settings are located. Inside, you'll see an option called Ad Tracker Blocker. That's the feature we're going to use. To enable it, simply turn on the switch. Once it's active, NordVPN immediately starts blocking ads and tracking scripts. It also helps protect you from malicious websites and scans downloads for malware, all running quietly in the background without any extra effort. With threat protection enabled, you'll notice faster page loading, fewer distractions, and a smoother, safer browsing experience overall. There's no need for browser extensions or complicated settings, just turn it on and you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully set up NordVPN's threat protection to block ads and keep trackers away. If you're interested in getting NordVPN at a big discount, check out my link below for up to 74% off plus 3 free months. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.